Hey everyone, trying to log into WhatsApp and seeing a login not available error? I know how frustrating that can be, especially when you need access right away. But don't worry, this issue is usually easy to fix. Let me walk you through all the working solutions. Let's get started. First, let's understand why this happens. It can be caused by too many login attempts, WhatsApp server issues, an outdated app, temporary restrictions on your number, incorrect date and time settings, or even a weak internet connection. Now let's fix it step by step. Fix number 1. Check if WhatsApp is down. Before changing anything, go to a site like Down Detector and search for WhatsApp. If lots of users are reporting issues, then the problem is on WhatsApp's side. In that case, just wait a bit and try again later. Fix number 2. Wait if you've tried too many times. If you repeatedly requested verification codes, WhatsApp may temporarily block your number. This can last from a few minutes up to several hours. Stop trying, close the app, wait at least an hour, and then try again. Fix number 3. Check your internet connection. Make sure you have a strong and stable connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data, or turn airplane mode on and off to refresh your network. This simple step often fixes the issue. Fix number 4. Correct your date and time settings. If your phone's time is wrong, WhatsApp won't be able to verify your login. Go to your settings, find date and time, and turn on automatic time. This instantly syncs your device and can solve the problem. Fix number 5. Update or reinstall WhatsApp. If your app is outdated, it may not connect properly to WhatsApp servers. Check for updates in the App Store or Play Store. If it's already updated, uninstall the app, restart your phone, and install it again fresh. Fix number 6. Try a different verification method. If you're not receiving the SMS code, request it again or choose the Call Me option. WhatsApp will call you and give you the code. Also, make sure your number can receive messages and calls without restrictions. And that's it. Check server status, wait if needed, fix your connection, correct your time settings, update the app, and try a different verification method. Follow these steps and you should be back into WhatsApp quickly. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.